Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and yes, I'm going to be doing a testing slime video. I was about to say. That was one pooper. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be testing the Almat non-bio slime recipe. So pretty much it's just Almat non-bio gel that you can get from Aldi's for only $1.79. Well, that's how I got out of it. And then you get your PVA glue. That's what I've been seeing on YouTube. And so yeah, I'm going to be testing that recipe out today. And I'm going to see if it is true or not. If non-bio Almat gel really works. So I have glue on my legs. Sorry about that background noise. That's just the back door closing. So yeah, let's go on with the video. So all you will be needing is something to mix in, or a container to mix in, which you will keep it in, and something to mix with, and then you will need your Almat non-bio gel. I know I've already went through this, but just in case you weren't paying attention, then my PVA glue and food color. I'm not going to be using food color. I'm going to be using it when I'm finished. When it's finished. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Let's get on. Sorry, I have to do that again. To the video. So first, you're gonna get your glue. Just wait a minute, it's coming here. That's how much I'm gonna put in. This is all the videos I've seen on YouTube, so I'm just gonna be and I'll be back in one. So then you're gonna get your Almat non-bio, and you're just gonna put a little drop. I've got my non-bio on this. The old one. I washed out and then I put this in there. I'm just hoping that it works. I'm just gonna put that much just now. Oh, it's getting thicker already. That's amazing. But it works though. I think it's gonna work because it's getting thicker. Try. Just gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. People say you just have to like mix it, and then it'll soon. Oops, that was a bit too much, but that'll be fine. You guys see this drop here? It's pretty much like coloring it to like blue. I think that's gonna work. I will be back once it's all mixed in. Okay. Oops, sorry. Sorry for the background noises. And as you saw, I added 2 more drops of the Almat in my glue mixture. So yes. Sorry. Sorry, there's just somebody downstairs in my house. And then my next video is going to be me making slime. And yes, as you see, I have something here. You probably didn't notice that, but yes, I do have slimes here. These are my 2 ingredient things. So yeah, I've just got a video going on over here. So yeah, sorry, that was embarrassing. Just gonna keep mixing it. My friends have just been telling me to just keep mixing it, and then it should get into the clump that it's supposed to. I'm just gonna add a bit more, just a bit more Almat. And then just gonna keep mixing until I get what I want. Well, I don't know what it's gonna turn out like, so just gonna keep adding it until it gets to the point that, well, if it does work, then my friend used the exact same stuff. And she came over to my house and she made it, and I was like, how'd you do that? She said, easy, just keep mixing it. Like, I was downstairs and like, because I was still finishing my tea because she came over. So then, yeah, she just made it, and I was like, whoa, how'd you do that? But then whenever I try to make it, it doesn't work. But I let her keep the slime, obviously, because like... So, yeah. So, yeah. So, as you see, I think this is my vlog channel I'm doing this video. I'm going to be uploading this video on. I know it's really not a vlog, but this is really my channel. I'm going to be using, like, as in, like, vlogs, challenges, how-to, DIYs. Like, yeah, that was do-it-yourself slime. So, DIY slime. Which is going to be my next video. I'm making it with my 2 ingredient DIY slime. So, yeah. So, I've just got a video trying to make slime with the exact same stuff. So, sorry if that's why I've been going like that. That's why I've been going like I go like that, and then I'm just keep messing it, and then it was weird. And it's because I'm going like, I'm touching it like right here. So that's my thing I've got there. 20%. That's okay. I'm just gonna keep mixing, and then I'm gonna add a couple more of my Almat, and then I'll be back with you. I just added a bit more. I didn't add like too much. I've just been keep adding and mixing. So it was like 2 minutes after I paused the video. So yeah, comment down below the app you can get like on your iPhone or like your iPod to like let you record your screen, because I'm going to be doing how to make a musical.ly video, but I don't know what app I should use. So yeah. So yeah, sorry about that. I was supposed to be doing that ages ago, but I couldn't find. Sorry about the background noises. This is my brother watching his YouTube video, and yeah, wrestling. You're just like, is that really necessary at this time? So yeah, this doesn't really matter if you've got adult supervision, but you really need to ask them if you can do it, because this is like a wash. This is actually like This is washing stuff that you put like in your washing machine. That's his wrestling videos. I'm gonna pause it. So I'm back. So I added more Almat, and it's kind of like it's getting thicker. So sorry for wasting 10 minutes of your time. To be honest, I think that my next video, which will be a 2 ingredients video, probably be longer than this video. I know. But I have a feeling it's going to be like 20 minutes or something. Because it really takes a long time to get you the slime that you want. Well, this is a spoiler alert. If you don't want to know what I'm doing in my next video, just pause it and just skip this part. So yeah, it's 2 ingredients slime, and like it's more of like goo slash like slime, like proper like Nickelodeon slime, like slime. But that's okay. Well, to be honest, I wouldn't say it was Nickelodeon, but you can like blow bubbles in it or something and stuff. Put these on. They're the 2 ingredients. So yeah, does anybody know if this works? Because it's kind of like, oh, there's tons of bubbles in it, and it's like all bubbly, and I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. So somebody please tell me what I'm doing wrong, or if I added too much Almat, or I just have to keep mixing. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep mixing for now and see what it does. So yeah, thanks guys for no, it's not finished yet, but I'm just gonna add some more Almat. I'll let you see. How much Almat do you? If this recipe works for you, how much Almat do you need to just make a little bit of slime? Because I've been mixing for ages, my hands are sore, and to be honest, I feel like I need to just add the ingredient that activates my slimes. And does anybody comment down below what else I should test out, or like any challenges I should try? Because yeah, because like I just want to. Sorry if I haven't been uploading a lot. That's because I didn't find that app I need to do the screenshot. So yeah. So I would say that this is a fail, but I wouldn't recommend try. I would try it, but if it works for you, then just tell me what I'm doing wrong, because it's not working for me. And I think that all of the videos on like YouTube and all that are just like fake. They just had contact stitching to make it look like that works. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry, thank you guys for watching this video, and comment down below what video I should do next. Bye guys, peace out, or how about a little bit of slime out.